Peggy Sue, you were my dog, so I'm gonna make this song for you. Peggy Sue, never forget that I love you. I'm telling you this because I loved you. I loved you so much, I loved you. I loved you like family because you were my family. You meant the world to me, not nothing else except for my family. 'Cause you were part of this family, so please never forget that I love you. You were my dog, you were my homie. So never forget that I loved you. I love you, Peggy Sue. Never forget that I loved you, Peggy Sue. Never, please forget that I loved you so much. I just loved you. I know. So please never forget that I loved you. I loved you so much. I love you. I loved you. I loved you. You were meant the world to me. You were my dog. You were my homie. You were everything to me. Never forget that I love you, Peggy Sue. Never forget that. Please don't ever forget it. I loved you, Peggy Sue. Never forget that you were my dog, you were my homie, so never forget that. Please never forget that. I love you, Peggy Sue, so please never forget that.